Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone. Make sure your Nothing Phone 1 is updated and you have the two apps you'll split. First, open the app you want in the top half so it's active. Once done, swipe up slowly to enter the Recent Apps screen or tap the Recent button depending on your navigation. Make sure you can see both the active app and your recent apps list. This sets up a smooth transition into split screen without wasting time on extra settings. You now create the split. In the Recent Apps view, long press the app card's icon or use the three-dot menu. Choose Split Screen. If dragging is supported, drag the card to the top area marked for split. Next, tap the second app from Recents or open it from the launcher to occupy the bottom pane. Adjust the divider by dragging to resize. This method ensures both apps remain active and you can interact with each independently for multitasking. Finish by resizing and confirming the layout. Drag the middle divider to balance space and tap it if options appear for swapping apps. To exit, drag the divider fully to one edge or press home to return to a single app. If split screen doesn't start, force close the app and repeat or toggle navigation gestures in settings. Sometimes the gesture mode blocks the long press method. If problems persist, reboot the phone. That usually clears transient UI.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.